And along that vein, what would you say is your definition of being successful? So in your eyes, what do you think is your definition of being successful? And you guys cannot copy each other.
Right.
But you can go one at a time, either one first. It's completely up to you.
Success, it's kind of a state of mind. Like, I mean, you set goals and you achieve goals, but I think as a society, like, we're so goal driven. I think if you don't stop and appreciate the goals that you have accomplished, like, it kind of diminishes them. So you have to kind of like look at what you have accomplished and be like, oh my gosh, like, I've grown so much. And I mean, yes, achieving goals and getting to your goals is great, but I think you have to have gratitude, you have to have appreciation for how far you have come to get to your next goal. Otherwise, you just kind of burn out.
Absolutely. Appreciating what you have done is almost as important, if not more, than setting new goals, for sure.
And embracing the moment, whether it sucks or not. Like, I'm always a believer, embrace the suck. Like, that's just, like you said, it's a state of mind. I mean, you can look at the finish line all you want, but if you don't enjoy the moment, no matter where you are, as far as success goes, I think you need to celebrate every win, no matter how big or how small. I think that's successful. And trying to be better than you were yesterday, or be a better version, if you're always striving to be better, I mean, I feel like that's successful as well. So it's not just a money thing or material things. It's, like you said, it's a state of mind and how you feel.
Absolutely. I think I appreciate those answers. I always think it's interesting to hear whether people are or not successful, their definition of it, because it's so a lot of people, I used this analogy earlier with someone. I find that a lot of people look at, when I ask that question, what's the finish line look like, and that's what the description I get. But you guys both gave me what the race looks like. What's the path to get there? And I think neither answer is right or wrong, but I think both are fascinating. So I appreciate you sharing that. Along that vein of moving the needle, where would you like to see your business, which is Kindred North Connection? I want to make sure I say it right. Let's say in 5 years from now.
5 years from now, I would love to see us working with 20 different businesses, expanding. 5 years. A lot can happen in 5 years. A lot has happened in the last 6 months, but just going forward. I think one of our other visions for this company is not just like social media marketing, but I think we really love teaching and like helping people, and not only like helping them create content and helping them with social media, but also maybe like doing like workshops. Or I mean, I've had so many people come up to me and they're like, okay, so I'm trying to create content for my Facebook page and I'm having trouble with my lighting, or just like maybe doing some workshops on basic like natural light photography, or just kind of like giving people the tools to create successful content for their socials. So I see it as more of a really big into the community, like coming together and like learning as a whole. So I see it growing into something like that. So that's the goal. I mean, that's the vision.
And Dad?
Yeah, and I think we want to do so many different things that I'm like, okay, we need to start with one. Because we talk about all these things we want to do, and it's like, okay, let's start with one, and then we'll see how it goes from there. But yeah, we want to see it grow, and we want to like provide employment opportunity, like when we grow enough, like be like, okay, we have already these people we think of, like, oh, it would be awesome to work with, and or collaborate with other business. There's just so many opportunities. I think what's getting so exciting is we see the vision, like we see the big picture, but we just got to start somewhere. You just have to start.
Yeah.
Right.
That's
the hardest part, right?
Now a better time than now, right?
Right.
Well, I think that's cool. I think the vision might be the hardest part for many. So the fact that you have that down is awesome. And not only do you want to help other people, but you want to start hiring people and growing the community even more. I think is really cool to give back in multiple ways. Obviously, not only are you helping the business grow, but you're helping your business grow and other people grow. So that's very cool. So of all the things we've covered today, is there anything that we haven't yet that you'd like to highlight or add or, provide to those who are willing to take the time to watch or listen to our conversation today?
Yeah, just thank you, and we're open for business.
Yeah. Officially.
Yeah, I mean we're always learning, just like we're here, so we want to provide a service, and we're here, so.
Absolutely. So if someone does want to reach out to you to learn more, have a free consultation, what is the best way to contact you?
Well, we do have our website. It's kindrednorthconnection.com. You can find us like Kristine or Kelsey at Kindred North Connection. And then we're on socials, of course, Facebook and Instagram as of right now.
Yeah, we'll be getting on more platforms like YouTube, I'm sure, and LinkedIn.
Okay.
All those.
There's so many.
Yes, there is, and they're adding more.
Twitter.
Yeah, TikTok now.
Oh, TikTok.
Yes.
Yes.
Who would've thought?
That one, I have not figured out any way to be creative or funny on that, but good luck
It's
if
a
you
range,
do.
I know.
And it's like either 15 seconds or a minute videos, so
Yeah.
I don't
It's like,
really know what
whoa.
to do there.
What am
I've tried a couple times and I get made fun of for my 10-year-old hockey players, but it just,
That's awesome.
I don't know.
At least
It
you're
is what
trying.
it is. But either way, I truly appreciate you both coming in to have a conversation with me today. Like I said, the more and more I learn, the more and more impressed I am with how busy but also motivated you are. So I applaud you for that. I can only imagine that if you were running, businesses, social media, you're going to put in that same amount of effort. So I definitely recommend anyone give them a call, reach out to them. I don't know if you guys had phone numbers or if you just had the website. If you don't want phone numbers,
Yeah,
that's okay
we,
too.
mine's 218-688-0078.
Mine's 218-684-1235. So not too hard to remember. I missed it by one, not the
1235.
1235.
Still convenient. So
Yeah.
thank you very much for taking the time to watch. Please reach out. Let us know what you thought about our conversation. Let us know if you have questions. And of course, if you like the conversation, click like, or even better yet, share it with a friend. We really appreciate you taking the time to watch and enjoy, or kind of listen to our conversation.